Hello and welcome to this Amlanguage video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and, as always, like and share the video and learn English in Malta with us. In today's video, we are going to look at how to use the past perfect, part 1. Our context for this video will be accidents. So, the ambulance had arrived before the fire brigade could put out the fire. I hadn't even started to change lane when he crashed into the side of my car. He had already lost control of the car before he went round the corner. She had just started to fall off the horse before the other rider hit her. Now the structure. 1. You have past perfect plus before plus past simple to create a sentence. And 2, you have had plus an adverb plus before plus past simple. And if we use an adverb with the past perfect, we usually use adverbs like even, already, and just. But how do we create a past perfect? So here are 2 past perfect sentences that we've just looked at. The ambulance had arrived. He had already lost control. We have subject plus had plus past participle. Now, past participle is the third form of the verb. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Lose, lost, lost. Catch, caught, caught. Fall, fell, fallen. But when do we use the past perfect? We have our sentence over here. So here is our timeline. Now the thin line here is the present and everything to the left is the past. Now we have 2 crosses and these 2 crosses represent 2 finished actions, because to make a past perfect we need to have 2 finished actions. The first cross is he had already lost control of the car, which is action 1. And the second cross is he went round the corner. This is action 2. So why do we use the past perfect? Here we have our sentence again. So the first thing is we use the past perfect to present an order of events to show or stress that one action happened before another action. So in this case, we are stressing that the man was already out of control before he reached the corner. So the reason why we are showing or stressing that one action happened before another is to highlight the meaning of what we want to tell someone. Video challenge. Complete the following past perfect sentences. That's correct. I had just left the building before the fire began. I had already started my car and I was about to drive off when I heard the fire alarm. I hadn't even got out of my car before I saw the front door covered in flames. Can you make your own past perfect sentences? Leave your examples in the comments section below. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website to find out how you can have lessons in Malta with us. And thanks for watching. Learn English in Malta with us.